Hi traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel, Trade with Bharat. So let's analyze what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Nifty yesterday closed at 11,669 and today it opened at 11,676. A very flat start. And based on this open price, I had stated in Twitter that it will consolidate and then it will move in a particular direction. And also buyers should hold 11,610 level. So if you see, market fell in the first 15 minutes and then immediately it recovered. This entire move was supported by Reliance. Reliance was the major contribution for the up move in Nifty. Next was like Titan and little of HDFC. After moving up, market started consolidating and did not break any region. It was like 50 points up and down. If you see overall, a lot of buyers were present here, and only slight profit booking or very little selling happened today. Nothing much. So looking at the overall structure of Nifty, we can say that buyers are having upper hand for tomorrow's trade. And I had stated that if Nifty is able to hold on to 11,600, it will be positive. That level was respected, and the low made was 11,638, and high is 11,779. So the overall range of Nifty today is 140.7 points. Okay, so tomorrow, if it starts trading above 11,780, that is today's high, it will be good for buyers to push the market on the higher side. And if Nifty starts trading below 11,705, it will be easy for sellers to push the market on the lower side. But some support will be there here in this region where buyers will be active and they might stop selling and they might absorb and they might push the market on the higher side. So we'll have to wait for price action tomorrow to decide the trade. Okay, let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty yesterday closed at 22,913 and it opened at 22,850. Slight negative start of close to 64 points. And based on open, I had said that it will be kind of consolidate and move. But initial thought was sellers were dominating. So it went down, then it took support immediately at this region and it started going up. If you see overall, sellers were also present, buyers were also present in Bank Nifty, and it did not move much on the either side. A lot of it was a range bound activity. So I had stated that if Bank Nifty is able to trade above 22,762, it will be good for buyers. They can push it on the higher side. Though they pushed it, sellers came in and it started consolidating in a very big range. And based on this structure and the closing, we can say that for tomorrow's it will be neutral to slight bullishness. And the levels to watch out is 23,110. That is almost today's high. It will be easy for buyers to push the market on the higher side. And if Bank Nifty starts trading below 22,850 level somewhere here, it will start seeing some weakness, and this sellers can come and push the market on the lower side. So today high is 23,109 and low is 22,656. So the entire range of today is 452 points. So let's move on to second section, that is reviewing call shade on a Telegram channel. LNT I had given a sell call, sell at 63.2. The sell was triggered here, and after that it went down little and then it came up. 63.9 was the stop loss level. It did not hit and it started going down further. At one point of time, it started consolidating and did not move much. So we could have exited somewhere around 62. Okay. So second, which I had shared was Just Dial. Just Dial was a sell at around 372. Then it went down. We had almost 3 points as a stop loss. So as soon as it started moving on the lower side, we could have kept our trailing stop loss to the cost, and this would have been hit, and it is almost nothing, no loss or no gain here. Third stock which I had shortlisted was Titan. Titan was a buy call at 1215. So it initially, like for 15 minutes, it consolidated and it broke out this level. Then it went almost till like 1267. Then it started coming down. So based on our exit strategy, her trailing stop loss would have been hit at 1248. Okay, so just a summary of it. So it is roughly 3.7 points gain on the capital. Okay, so I'll move on to the third section, that is a shortlisted stock for the next trading session. The first stock which I've shortlisted is Berger Paint. Berger Paint initially, it did not move as per the market like how the Nifty moved. Sellers were present and they pushed it on the lower side, but they were not that serious sellers and they could not push it on the much lower side. The Berger Paint got support on this particular region because a lot of buyers were present in yesterday. At the same level, it started taking support and reversed it, and it went up, and it started again consolidating. So based on the overall structure, if you see, it's a neutral view where both sellers as well as the buyers were present in the market, and nothing much activity happened later on. It just started consolidating. So anything about this region you can see slowly start seeing this particular stock to move on the higher side. Or if if anyone here start booking the profit, or if they start closing the position who bought, you can see the stock to go on the lower side. Anything from here, it starts weakening, and below this level also you can expect the stock to move on the lower side. Okay, next stock which I've shortlisted is HDFC. HDFC is doing well from past 2 days, and if you see, it is overall bullish. Yesterday was a major contributor to the Nifty gain, and today also it just in the first 5 minutes it went down, then it started consolidating and it started moving on the higher side, and most of the time is spent on consolidation. So anything above this level, that is today's high, it will be good for the market to take on the higher side. And if anything, if you start seeing below this particular zone, you can expect some profit booking happening, and slowly the stock can start moving on the lower side. So seeing at the overall structure, we can say that this is slightly neutral to bullish view we are having here. Okay, the third stock which I've shortlisted is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is kind of sellers are present here, as well as the buyers are present in today's market. Seeing at the overall structure, we can say that it is slightly neutral to, or a kind of a bullishness for tomorrow. Anything if it starts trading about this region, you can expect the stocks to start moving on the higher side, and slowly if it starts trading below here, you can expect the stock to start slowly weakening, and it can start moving on the lower side. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you like this video, and share this video with your family and friends. Bye.